Get out of my path of destruction.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't usually share what I get for Christmas or for my birthday or anything like that, but I thought that this was very fitting, so I thought I would give you guys a quick video on what I got from my mum for Christmas. She always goes all out. She's a bit over the top sometimes. That's where I get it from. So she gave me this box, which was very unexpected. Don't think that this happens every year. It does not. My family do not give each other Louis Vuitton gifts, okay? I think we had a $30 limit this year and that was it. And we just bought one present and it was sort of like a random thing. So this is a little bit unexpected. As you guys know, my mother is a Louis Vuitton lover through and through. And she has so many Louis Vuitton bags, but she decided to give me, this is what I saw when I opened it, by the way. Hopefully you guys know what you're gonna get from the thumbnail and from the description. There's also the Christmas paper, so this is, you know, authentic from the store, guys. My mum doesn't do things any other way. And then it also had the gorgeous blue Louis Vuitton in the orange ribbon. And then when you open this, there's a little case. This is a little beauty case that she got me, and it's my very first one. I've never had a Louis Vuitton case like this. I do have other ones, but not Louis Vuitton, not branded or anything like that. I don't know if I'm going to use it for makeup or for beauty. I think I might use it for something else. I'm just sort of thinking practically. I've already got a really good makeup case, so I don't really want to use it for that, and I don't want to get makeup on the inside of it, even though it's a bit of a wipe clean. It's got gorgeous nude lining on the inside, which is like a leather kind of lining, which I love. It also has the Louis Vuitton tag, really super refined at the back, and there's also a pocket with the coated fabric cowhide trim kind of card thing. It is really small, so this is the smaller one. I believe there's a larger one that actually has a chain. This one doesn't have a chain or anywhere to put a chain. It's got the beautiful the LV, yeah, I always think it's an X because it looks like an X, LV logo on the toggles of the zipper. And the base is just very plain with the piping detail of the leather trim. Beautiful little case, guys. It was a very, very special gift that I was given from my mum. I will be coating this handle like I have coated my other ones, just to make sure that they stay unmarked. They will still patina, but they're not going to be all marked. And you know, if you've seen some of these handles that where people don't coat them, they're just full of blotches and marks and uneven marks, whereas if I want it to patina naturally and evenly, that's why I put the protectant on it. It's not going to patina as much as well from memory, but from my experience it does patina a little bit. I thought it wouldn't patina at all, but I was wrong. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Super simple, super small. Nothing too fancy here. I'm not doing mod shots or anything like that because you guys can see this is it next to my body. If I was to use this, it is a super small case. So what would you guys use this for if not makeup or toiletries? It doesn't seem big enough for a toiletry bag, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Short, sweet, nothing much to say really. I haven't really been considering, I've been considering a makeup case, but I haven't been considering this Louis Vuitton one just because, you know, I don't like the logos too much, but it is a beautiful gift and I really do appreciate it. And I'll be definitely putting this to good use. I might, you know, maybe put my watches in it or my sunglasses or store something like that in it. Something beautiful that I'll use nearly every day. There you go, guys. Have you guys been considering this little makeup pouch? Oh, that was Jessie. This was, I think around about 1600 Australian dollars. If you guys haven't met my beautiful little puppy Jazz, here she is. Very, very shy. She was absolutely tiny when we got her. I will be introducing her in a different video if you guys haven't seen that. What you wrong? What you wrong? She's like having a newborn baby, guys. If you guys have had a newborn, you guys know what I'm talking about. But like the best newborn you can imagine, if that makes sense. She's easy to train. She's already, within a week or two, she's toilet trained. So yeah, but still, she's hard work. And I can't sort of leave her by herself right now because she's still very little. If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, I've set up an Instagram account for her. Jazzy the Dashie is what her Instagram is, with underscores in between. You're going to say hello to everyone? Or are you a bit shy? Are you shy? Look. Do you say, who's that? Who's that? Is that a dog? Is that you? Huh? She's absolutely gorgeous. She's a dapple dachshund, which is quite rare. I just had to pick her up because she just woken up from a nap, a really long nap. She let me film a couple of videos and it was time for me to pick her up. So, there you go. Okay. Now I only have one hand. So, life of a new mum, right? I'm not actually, I'm an old mum. I do have a 6-year-old. But having a little puppy is like having a newborn. So there you have it, guys. I can't zip it up now because now I'm holding her. So such is life. What do you guys think of this little beauty case? I think it's called a vanity case, or it could be a beauty case, something like that. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you've been considering a bag like this, oh, thank you. Thank you for your kisses. I will see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join my family on Instagram and on my website. We have loads and loads of info on there for you. And if you're interested in any of the bags behind me, check out my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.
Clean a bit more, bit more. If that means I'll be lonely, that's fine, that's fine. 'Cause when I'm yours again, I swear